So that's what it was more like that. What I figured was at least it was very. This was all very early in this year, right?
Yeah.
And I was looking at my consistency itself. The first page, I bought the book around January. Around February, I did one sketch. This was 2nd February. 3rd February, I did this because with all. And then in somewhere around March, I took out the book because I was feeling guilty. Then around April again, I did this because okay, let me do something, right? I was not even having what to do and everything. So I watch a lot of Office, so that is there. Then random 1-2 sketches here and there, somewhere in between for user manual. I was I was asking myself, why am I not getting some ideas, or should I think outside the box? or something?
Oh, box and
So now, then I took this book to Kabini, I think November. I'm just looking. It's both inspiring and disappointing that throughout the year there are only 3-4 pages I could fill. But nevertheless, it was this part. No, this is I was sitting and doing, and it killed like 1 hour of my time, right? And that 1 hour was very nice. I think what even Jerry was talking about in terms of there's so much satisfaction, so much of validation that you get internally. I have another different issue with that work itself, but at least it's there, it's out there. Then again, this was again, trying to look at structures in Kabini, no? I was trying to create a lot of houses because I really like the structure they do. So this was in person, this was taking the photographs from there. So I was trying, like, their structures look very interesting to me. And they're very colorful also. It's not the sort of colors that you would use it for a house, but somehow I think people look at their houses like canvas, and whether or not it fits with the environment or to their neighbor or anything, it doesn't matter. They're so bold, I feel, at times. Like you'll see suddenly one purple color house out of nowhere, one lemon green color house. So I also think there's a lot of joy in that. I was trying to do a full scale of, that there was this house which was in between, like, so much green. Like I can imagine what they get up to every morning and everything, like giant foliages and tree and things like that. But yeah, I don't have a lot of things to show, but at least I'm hoping to change that, right? Like all these nice books are there, nice stationery that Anu gets for me. I'm just hoping that I use it, because otherwise I don't want this to be just empty.
इधर का ब्लू करना चाहिए
Blue color नहीं था.